My name is Kate. I was diagnosed with retinitis pigmentosa when I was 6. I was told that I would be totally blind by the time I was 13. I have a small amount of tunnel vision left.
My name is Nicole. I'm Kate's sister and I was diagnosed at 17. It's difficult living with RP.
Retinitis pigmentosa is a degenerative eye disease.
Inherited retinal diseases are all caused by mutations in individual genes, which leads to loss of those cells and eventual loss of vision.
At the moment, there is no cure. The research that's being done at the moment is very exciting.
We now are seeing treatments coming online. It's nice to give patients some hope that there are treatments on the horizon.
I have 10-year-old twin daughters. It would be amazing if I have enough vision to see all of the milestones in their lives.